Hello everybody, my name is Whole People, and today I have my Rubik's Cubes, and I haven't solved them and I have no idea how long, so I'm going to try to see how many of these I can still solve, how fast I can do it, and meanwhile I'm just going to take you through my collection. And starting off, I have the original 3x3 made by Rubik's. I also have that in a speed cube variant by I have no idea who. I can get that to focus. Can't, whatever. I have no idea who because it's in Japanese and it is a little faded, so I can't actually read the English part of it. And I have it in another speed cube variant, but I took off the stickers of this one, so it's, yeah. And this one is the one I'm gonna try to solve because I can do that one the fastest, and it really doesn't matter because they're all 3x3s. So let's start off with mixing it, which won't take very long. Okay, it's now mixed up, as you can see. Set it down. Take 30 seconds to look at this. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, so gonna try to solve this in under a minute. That's my goal. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Well, stay tuned. However, if I keep making dumb mistakes like that, I'm not going to be able to solve it in under a minute. Okay, one side done. The middle layer is done, but I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Okay. Yeah, that's solved. Okay, took me 1 minute and 21 seconds. As you can see, it's backwards. But I didn't get my wanted time. Next is the 2x2. I have it in this Japanese version, and I have it in the other speed cube variant, which again has no sticker, so I don't know what brand it is. And again, I'm going to solve it with the 2x2. Speed 2x2. Okay. So I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to 3, 2, 1. We're going to solve it. If I can solve it, which I probably can't, but I'm going to give it a shot anyways. Okay, and solved. It took 37 seconds. Again, it's backwards, but I think it's backwards at least. Next, I don't know what to do next. Let's do the cuboid. It's a 3x 3 by 2 by 1, circular kind of shaped ovally. I don't know, but it's should be pretty easy, hopefully, he says. So we're gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna see it's all mixed up, and then ready, set, we're gonna solve it. So it shouldn't be too difficult, but you never know. Because, like, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing at this point. There we go. It's solved. Took me an upsetting 50 seconds to solve that. 50 seconds. Okay. Next, let's do the Pyraminx. So I have this Pyraminx, which is made by Key. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Well, I can't get it to focus, but it's QIYI, I guess. And this one, which I don't know who this one's made by either. This one doesn't have a sticker on it, but this is what I'm going to be trying to solve. So I'm going to mix it up. Okay, it's all mixed up. And then 3, 2, 1, we're going to solve it. So here we go. I haven't solved this one in forever. The other ones I've solved recently. This one I haven't. So here we go. Can't remember how to solve it at all. Okay, we have one side solved. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I guess it worked. So that is solved. And it took 1 minute and 17 seconds. Again, it's backwards, I think. Okay. I have no idea what to do next. There are 4 left. Let's do the gear cube. This cube, I don't know who it's made by, and that's their symbol. I don't know how to make it upright, but this one should not be too hard to solve. Again, that's why I said with a few other cubes, and they were super difficult. So we're gonna just try this out. As you can see, the way it works is these center ones turn, and you turn the sides. It's confusing sometimes. Okay, so it's all mixed. Let's make it as it's ever gonna get, and we're gonna solve it. Okay. And that's one part done. Phase 1 done. Okay, and now that we're on the home straight, done. So it's solved. And there is 52 seconds. It's backwards. It looks like it's still 52, no matter what way you guys look at it, but 52 seconds. Okay. Next we have the skew, which turns very weirdly. So, yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna mix it up a bit. This one I have solved recently, but it took me forever, so this is probably gonna be hard. Ready? It's all mixed up, and now we go. Okay, so one side done. Okay, all the centers are now done. Now we're on to the last part, which I'm not very good at. Yeah. No, that's not it either. I can't even remember the algorithm. Oh wait, maybe it's this. I think it's this. I don't think it was this. Yeah, that wasn't it. Okay, next thing. Next guess. Hey, I actually got it, kinda, sorta. There, so it's solved. And that took me a whole 2 minutes and 47 seconds. No, yeah, 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Next, let's do pure morphics. This one is probably one of my favorites because it is what's known as a morphing puzzle. You can see it will turn, and you can turn into a different shape, and when it's in that different shape, you can still turn it. This one I haven't tried to solve in a long time, so I'm kind of scared. So here we go. one side done. Which doesn't mean much. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Yeah, I don't think so. But maybe. I'm gonna just keep doing this and see if this actually does something good. Okay, I don't think that was it though. Oh, that's it right there. That's the thing. That's what I'm supposed to do. Right there. Okay. Oh, I thought I had it. Dang it. I guess I have to restart. It's kind of weird that I can't just, like, play through it. Continue adding on. Oh well. My mistake. Here we go. Once again. There we go. Now it's solved. And that took me a whopping minute and 18 seconds. Next, we have the Mega Mix, which will take me forever to solve, so I'm going to have to do this in a time lapse. But I can do mix. I can mix it in front of y'all's. And there we go. It's all mixed. And now it's solved. And that one took so long that it turned off. So, yeah. pretty bad. But that was my video, I think. If you liked it, please like and subscribe down below, I guess. Bye.